Hey, what's going on, Twin Time? We're back. We got, Liam, Eli, Mommy, and Daddy. Coming at you with some fun Nerf War games. This one, guess what it's called? The Terminator. You guys like the Terminator? No, because you're not supposed to watch Terminator. But the idea is, there's one guy who's just destroying the whole competition. You get to identify who that person is for each team. It's a team-based game. And guess what? Teams are Team Awesome, me and Eli, versus Team
Great.
Team Great. This is TG, Team Great. Hashtag Team Great. Right now in the comments, who's your team? Who's your favorite team right now? Hashtag Team Awesome or hashtag Team Great. Anyway, this game's so much fun. There's some rules that are involved with this. One person from each team, you can play this with a lot of people. But right now, there's 2v2. One person is gonna be me and Mommy. We are going to be the takedowners. We're the people that are gonna shoot down the opposition. Once that player is shot down, the Terminator is gonna take the Nemesis, or any high-powered gun you have, and start blasting the guys on the ground. Now, like we always play in all these Nerf gun videos, you got our protection, right? Everyone make sure you got your eye gear on. Got to protect those eyes. They're gonna blast guys on the ground. Those are your points. He gets 5 points by, shooting at the guys on the ground, 5 quick points. First team of 30 now has to go over and capture the other team's flag.
Yes.
Get that flag, put it back to your base, you're the winner. Just like that. And you get ammo crates. Because you're gonna be using a lot of ammo on this one. You guys ready to play this?
Ready? Yeah.
Again, comment below. Who thinks you're gonna win? Hashtag Team Awesome. Hashtag Team Great. Who thinks you're gonna win? It's gonna be us. All right, guys, you ready for this? Yeah. Let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Okay, here's the deal. We're gonna run as fast as we possibly can. Because as soon as we say 3, 2, 1, go, they're gonna come flying around there and protect this doorway. And then we're gonna be stuck. We're gonna know where to go. Okay? So we're gonna go as fast as possibly can. Okay, ready?
When you get to 30, they count out loud with me. We'll try to keep track together.
All right? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on.
Go. Here we go. Come on, Liam. Come on, Liam.
Come on.
Look behind you.
No, it's fine. I'm just making noise.
Behind you.
Wait. I think we're cornered. Shoot. You're stepping on the Rosie. Oh, I see him. Come here. Okay, wait, this way. Oh, they go back downstairs. Oh.
Did I get you?
No.
Did you grab Mommy's hand?
Come here, Eli, quick. Okay, come this way.
Do I just shoot them?
Yeah, I got Liam, down. I got Liam. Get him. Okay, go down.
I got him.
Oh, missed. Come on me.
Five.
Come on me.
Hey, I can shoot while I'm down.
Yes, you can shoot while you're down.
1, 2, 3.
I got you.
1, 2.
Oh yeah, I can shoot back. We're at 8.
We're at 8.
Yeah, because you got Liam and you got Mommy. Huh?
Why do I have balls in my case?
In case if Liam runs out. Keep track of your score. We're at 8. Fall back.
Oh, my hand hurts.
You okay? I know, it's a big heavy gun.
Boo!
Oh, jeez.
Don't get shot. Let me go first.
Ah! Oh, get down.
Wait, they're gonna get us under the table.
Oh, I got Liam.
Watch. I got you. Did you get him? He got me.
Oh, you can shoot, remember?
Oh, got him again.
How many was that?
Come on me.
How many was that?
I got you guys. I'm already down. Why did you come to get me?
Because you're down. He can get you.
Can I shoot you?
Yeah.
No. 6 more. Oh my gosh.
I think we have at least 20. Did you count, Liam? How many did you shoot that time?
25.
He shot 20. He says we have 25.
Are you serious? We're at like 14 then.
Every time I shoot people, I shoot like 5 times. What about if
We're using the new quadrants, by the way. Oh, jeez.
Wait, who's outside? Saw something. What's that?
Oh! Got it. Okay, you went down. Come on.
No, I got you.
Liam, you're down. Oh, they can stay down there all they want.
Okay, get the flag.
Where's it? Get the flag. I don't know. He said it was on the table. He said it was on the table.
Oh, right here. Duh. Okay, do you need more?
No, I'm enough.
Okay, I gotta reload. We gotta get back to our base. Are you ready?
Now, how are you gonna get this back to your own base now? Yeah. How are they gonna do it? Wait, watch. Get over there. Get over there.
Oh, poo. Come on, move back.
Yeah, now what are you gonna do?
We should have been up there. Why'd you make me go down here?
What are you gonna do?
Why'd you make me go down here?
Uh-oh. Okay, ready?
It's a flame.
Yeah, we're good.
I'm scared of them.
The Terminator. You ready? You ready to get him?
I'm gonna be like.
As soon as I put him down, you're gonna get him, okay?
It's again.
Ready?
I saw someone's Nerf gun.
Oh, now you cornered yourself even more. We can pursue. Okay, here we go. Oh, jeez.
Got you.
No, she didn't get me. Hello? Oh, jeez. Let's move.
Oh!
No.
Oh!
Come on me. Come on.
Oh!
Okay.
Go!
Come on me.
Run back to base with the thing! Take it! Go! Run!
My bullets. Go Liam. He's down.
Give it to me! Give it to me!
Where's the flag? Oh, Mommy and Liam win. They win and the headset came off.